In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Base44 app to Replit. We'll go through the process from downloading your project in Base44 to importing it into Replit so you can continue working with your app in a new environment. This is a straightforward workflow, and once you know where each option is located, it only takes a few minutes. First, go to Base44 and open your project dashboard. This is where you'll see your existing apps and projects. From there, select the project you want to move over to Replit. Make sure you're opening the correct project before exporting, especially if you have multiple versions or similar app names in your workspace. Once you're inside the project, look for the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains extra actions and project management options that aren't shown directly on the main screen. Click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, choose the option to export the project as a zip file. This will package your Base44 app into a downloadable file that you can transfer to another platform. Depending on the size of your app and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. After the export finishes, save the zip file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or downloads folder, so you can quickly access it in the next part of the process. Next, go to Replit. Once you're on the Replit site, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This area contains your main navigation options and is where you'll start creating or importing a project. Click on Create Something New. This opens the setup flow for starting a new Replit project. Since you already have a project file from Base44, you won't be building from scratch here. Instead, you'll import what you just downloaded. After that, click on Upload a File. This tells Replit that you want to create the new workspace by importing an existing project file rather than choosing a template. When the file picker opens, locate the zip file you exported from Base44 and select it. Then, import the file. Replit will begin uploading and processing your project. Once that finishes, your Base44 app should appear inside a new Replit workspace where you can review the files, make edits, and continue development. As a quick tip, after the import is complete, take a moment to verify that all your project files came through correctly before making changes. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Base44 app and brought it into Replit.